time to mix. This. All right. Here we go with the cinder block. We have here our cinder block. Pretty cool just by itself that it's a strong enough material that it's holding up this 35, 40-pound brick. I want to see if I can stand on it myself. Let's see what we can do. All right. Not bad. This is pretty cool. Just think of how well it's going to do when we put it on your floors. Strong. Strong by nature. All right, so I'm standing up here by myself, but I want to see if we can get one more person up here. So I've got a friend.
I've been watching this all day. This is so cool. I can't believe this stuff. I am 160.